From slide 31, clicked on Learn by Doing, and that got me over to here. And let's see. This is the same data frame that we used in the last exercise, so I don't have to actually download it and upload it. If you haven't done that, what you want to do is left click on this, and then that will put the file into your downloads folder, and then you use upload to get it up to RStudio Cloud or wherever you're going to work on it. And let's see, the first command that we have to exercise is summary. Let's take a look at what summary does. I'm just going to copy that, go to the cloud. Summary, actor underage, $age. So we're looking at the variable capital AGE in the data frame actor underscore age. And what do we do? Well, it gets us 6 numbers, which is the 5-number summary plus 1. The 5-number summary is the minimum and the maximum, 29 and 76, the first quartile or the 25th percentile, and the third quartile or the 75th percentile, and the median. And then just for grins, they throw in the mean for summary. You can look at, let's just copy this variable name so that we can work with it. You can use Boxplot to get a visual of the 5-number summary. And let's look at how that works. Let's zoom this thing so it looks reasonable. And you can see that you've got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number summary. The median is that thick line in the middle, and then below it we have the 25th percentile, above it we have the 75th percentile, and then we have the whiskers. Now the whiskers are set at either the maximum or the minimum. In this case, the whisker ends at the minimum, but the whisker up here did not get up to the maximum. The maximum was out here. And to calculate the proper, when there's a difference between the end of the whisker and an outlying observation, you take this gap here from the 25th percentile to the 75th percentile. That is known as the IQR, or the interquartile range. Multiply that by 1.5, and that gives you the maximum length of a whisker. And that's what defines this thing as being an outlier, because it is more than 1.5 IQRs above the 75th percentile. Okay, so that's the box plot. Let's see, what else can we do? Well, one of the best measures of the range is the difference between the maximum and the minimum. So let's calculate the range. MAX of our variable minus MIN of our variable. And we have a range of 47. That's a measure of the spread or variation in the data, because it is 47 units from the minimum value to the maximum value. An alternative is the IQR. That is the difference between the 25th percentile, or the first quartile, and the 75th percentile, or the third quartile. And that is the 5-number summary and the box plot.